Yo, I know it can't just be me, but YouTube keeps recommending me these videos where it's like asking my roommate on a date, telling my roommate that I like her, kissing my roommate, and I'm like, yo, YouTube, can you chill? I know, I get it, I'm lonely. If you don't know who Kelly and Ashley are, they're two YouTubers that live here in New York, and they actually live in a house called Your Mom's House. It's made up of 4 YouTubers, and they make super fun videos together. But lately, Kelly and Ashley have been a little bit sus and a little bit flirtatious with each other, and the catch is their roommates. So today, I'm going to be very awkwardly third-wheeling them for 24 hours.
Whoa, they're having sex.
Get my good time, babe.
Alright, time is it is the morning, and we're gonna head over to Kelly and Ashley, well, your mom's house right now, and I've never seen the house, so this is gonna be our first time, but I'm excited. Okay, let's go. You were watching my video yesterday? Yeah. What's your name? Cyan? Okay, well you have a nice rest of your day. See ya! Okay, we're headed up to their apartment right now. I have never visited the house, let alone even meet them. Hello! Oh my god, we are currently at your mom's house. Hi, Ashley! Hello! So this is where Ashley and Kelly sleep.
Kelly just woke up. He might be actually cleaning the dishes. If he is, then he's being a good boy.
Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah, I'm doing the dishes like I always do.
Wow, you guys work together so well. You guys have such great chemistry.
Right?
You know, I can already tell. I'm an empath, and what I'm feeling right now is that they're really compatible.
3, 2, 1.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest.
Welcome to my crib.
All
Come
right.
in. This shouldn't be up right now.
What?
Bruh.
What's this?
Those are my temporary. Oh.
Guys, I have to tell you, if I look like I'm dead right now, it's because I didn't get any sleep last night because I had a fucking nightmare. And it's also the fact that I woke up this morning with an allergic reaction the day that we were filming, so I look like the balloon off of Phineas and Ferb. I woke up sweating and in tears. And it was because I noticed that 40% of you watching this video right now aren't subscribed. So can you please subscribe? I would really appreciate it. And I read every single one of my subscribers' comments right now, and I'm not lying. Go check, did I? Yup.
Period.
Oh, so cute.
Did you see this? What I painted her? This is my best work.
You must have not done a lot of work. Hey, Ashley, I didn't know that you use men's products.
I swear those are women's products.
Me and the homies sometimes shower in there.
Hey, yo!
And the homies.
Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna take me boosted boarding for the first time, but not gonna lie, my toes are curled right now and my ass is clenched. Like, I'm so scared.
Come on, Mai.
Do some practicing. It will be okay.
Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Relax, relax. You're so tense. Positive affirmation.
Yeah, I can do it.
You can do it. You're the best.
I'm my fucking fan.
We're going.
Yeah.
Oh! Woo! Woo! We're doing it.
And then you're right.
Yeah. Okay, go on the board.
Dying of the day. No matter what you feel, it's gonna change.
Okay, right now, we're at, what is this, your guys'
It's called Le Pain Quotidien. It's a French restaurant, or actually I think it's Belgium. Wait, Belgium.
Okay.
If you could just sit like on that bench
Oh,
over there.
yeah, for sure. I'll give you guys your space.
You're still here?
Yeah, but like you're still like kind of following us around.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know that I can give you guys a space or whatever. How's the weather over there?
Pretty good.
It's good.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, you got some right there.
Oh, right here.
No.
Delish.
6 months from now, we're gonna do this with a double date with Mai's man.
Comment down below if you guys want them to take me on a blind date.
Yeah.
I'm down.
I can set that up.
If this video gets to 50,000 thumbs up, we will go on a blind date.
What's your type? You got a type? boys, probably.
Why, do you have any friends you can set me up with?
I got a brother. I got 2 brothers.
Kelly!
What?
How old are they?
They're older.
They're like 27.
Okay, okay.
I mean, come on.
Age ain't nothing but a number.
That's right.
I like shy people. I like really shy people.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah.
I'm down.
Oh, it must smell. Oh!
Oh! I got
Clean
it.
that up, Ashley.
I got it, guys.
I laughed like my grandma.
Hey, you got something right there.
Can you get it, Mai?
Such nice weather out here, guys.
Yeah.
Right now we are headed to my apartment building and we're gonna play a little bit of basketball, but you guys know how basketball always goes, so see you guys there.
Narco, got dope like Pablo. Got dope like Pablo.
Hi, do you want to be in the vlog? I talk to him every single day. He's basically my therapist at this point. His name's Orlando. Honestly, I just tell him everything that I'm feeling and he just sits there and listens to me. He doesn't get paid enough for this.
Yeah, no, she deserves it. She's the best.
So do you guys like hold hands everywhere?
Yeah, pretty much.
I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw
The sign!
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Nice big swing. And go.
Good job, guys. Can I get a high five too?
Yeah. Thanks. Let's go, Ashley. Let's go, Ashley.
Oh wow, he's so strong, Ashley.
Yeah.
Yeah! Get my good side, babe.
Oh, yeah. I'm stealing your girl. We're tied and we're winning and you're losing.
Loser.
Loser.
Game not finished.
I'm ready.
Get that out of here.
Can you tell him to stop being so mean to me?
Let's go, Ashley.
That was very good. All right, I have a proposition for you.
Okay.
I get 3 tries to get a 3-pointer, okay? And if I get it in, y'all have to kiss. Deal?
You! Fine.
Oh my. You got it, you got it.
Okay, guys. I have 2 tries left. I have to get it in.
Mike. What the shit? You gotta help a brother out. Help a brother out.
I'm fucking trying. I've only been doing this for 2 fucking days.
Guys, this is a lot of pressure, okay? Stop, y'all making me nervous.
Got it.
That wasn't fake, guys. I actually got it the 3rd try. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, why am I thoroughly actually enjoying watching this?
So good. Ice cream.
That sounds like a lemon. I'm Mai.
And I'm Ashley.
And together we are
Mashley.
Now the roles are reversed. I'm third wheeling right now.
We're just like besties. Like we even wear like matching outfits.
Low-key, you guys
I don't
are
know if you can
matching.
tell.
I found my love in Portofino.
After you.
Thank you, Kelly.
wow, you guys are so cute together.
Fine, I'll get your chair.
Oh, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Oh, a candlelit dinner. Thank you. So we're in Little Italy right now, and I'm currently on a date with Ashley and Kelly. But I decided we're gonna play a wedding game because you know you guys gotta prepare for the future, right? Who takes up more than their half of the bed?
Ashley.
Are you serious?
You.
We've never slept in the same bed.
Oh.
Who is the most romantic?
Me.
I think Kelly does a lot of very romantic gestures, which I do really appreciate.
I'm a, hopeless romantic. Or I guess not hopeless no more, but
Who made the first move?
I
Ashley.
did.
Wait, really?
I always make the first move.
Wait, how did you make
Alright.
the first move?
alright.
Kelly didn't have the ball.
Wait, what?
I just didn't want to I feel like it would have been worse if I came on to Ashley and we like lived
We're
together.
roommates and like,
You know, like that's weird if a guy's like, you know, I feel like it was a little bit safer letting Ashley like,
confirm that like I
Yeah.
liked you.
Wait, how did you confirm that you liked him?
I gave him a little kiss.
Were you
I gotta
expecting
say.
it?
yeah, we were, you know,
You said you were not expecting it.
I was like, I wasn't expecting Ashley to kiss me, and it was just kind of like, oh, she's like scratching my head for a long time, like.
Wait, was this at the park or whatever when you said that she was giving you head scratches? You said in a video.
I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know. Ashley's a savage. The longer you hang out with her, you know, she's
The
so.
more you'll realize.
You know, she looks so sweet, you know, but really, she's a savage.
That's why me and Maya are gonna be besties.
Take a quick second when you play that. Listen to the words I'm saying when you play back.
Get out